Hey everyone, this is Donald Barber with the J. Michael Manley team at Keller Williams Greenville Upstate, and today we're outside of 4825 Cockrell Road here in the upper part of Greer, where you're close to Skyland Farms and Skyland Elementary. You're within an easy day trip to either Asheville or Hendersonville. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has mostly laminate flooring. It also backs up to the woods, has a fenced-in backyard on nearly 3/4 of an acre, no HOA, and a 5th room that's a flex room for your office, workout area, man cave, she shed, or a 5th bedroom. Let's go in and check out this beautiful home. Enjoy your mornings with a cup of coffee on the covered deck, or your evenings out here in the yard by the fire pit, or even grilling out here as well. Once again, fenced in backyard. You can even have chickens here. There's fig trees and a peach tree. This home literally has it all, and the only thing that's missing from it is you. Give us a call and let's set up a showing.